Imagine getting a Form 1099 DA from your stablecoin issuer, reporting every trade to the IRS. That's the new reality under the Genius Act. In this video, you'll learn US versus EU stablecoin tax, Genius Act versus MiCA compared, plus stablecoin regulation and your taxes. What the FSB and ECB mean, stablecoin regulation and taxes 2026, a user's guide, stablecoin regulation under MiCA, USDT versus USDC in 2026, and MiCA regulation guide, what crypto investors need to know in 2026. We'll break down how these rules hit your taxes without changing the basics. Stick around for tips on taxable events and DeFi yield. The Wild West for stablecoins ended. The Genius Act, signed July 18, 2025, sets the first U.S. federal rules for payment stablecoins. Issuers must hold one reserves in cash or short-term U.S. treasuries under 93-day maturity. Licensing comes from the OCC or states. In the EU, MiCA Regulation 2023-1114 covers all crypto. Its CASP rules became fully applicable December 30, 2024. Stablecoin rules for e-money tokens and asset reference tokens followed soon. Now there's compliant stablecoins like USDC and risky non-compliant ones facing delisting. This splits the market and amps up tax reporting. Both aim for stability but differ big time. Genius focuses on payment stablecoins only. Issuers are banks or state money transmitters. Reserves are 100% cash or T-bills. No interest paid directly. No easy cross-border passporting. MiCA hits all crypto and CASPs. Issuers are credit institutions or EMIs. Reserves in low-risk assets with some in banks. No interest on e-money tokens. Passporting lets one EU license work everywhere. For taxes, U.S. issuers report via Form 1099-DA as IRC Section 645 brokers. EU uses DAC-8 for data sharing across states. Your trades get flagged automatically. Key point: Genius Act and MiCA aren't tax laws. They regulate markets, not your gains. Enforcement gets easier though. Regulated issuers report data. You still follow old tax rules. Here's where most mess up. Thinking compliant stablecoins dodge capital gains. Nope. Track everything like before, but now authorities see your gross proceeds clear as day. So here's the deal. Meticulous records aren't optional anymore. In the US IRS, Notice 2014-21 says virtual currency is property, stablecoins included. Every disposal triggers capital gain or loss. Genius just okays issuers, doesn't make them currency for taxes. Say you buy USDC at $0.9998 and sell at $1.01. That's a gain, report it. Track cost basis per lot. Active traders face thousands of events yearly. Regulated issuers send Form 1099-DA matches your on-chain records or flags issues. MiCA harmonizes markets across 27 EU states. Taxes, still national. Germans watch 1-year holding periods. French pay flat crypto tax. MiCA licenses your exchange or issuer. Your gains tax depends on residence. DAC-8 shares data between states. No hiding big trades. Common mistake. Assuming EU-wide tax uniformity. It ain't there. Check your country's rules. Stablecoins pegged but fluctuate. Taxable disposals hit hard. Sell USDC for dollars. Swap USDC for EURC. Trade USDC for Bitcoin. Spend on coffee via debit card. Each needs fair market value minus cost basis. Example, 2 lots. First, USDC at $1, second at $0.99. Swap half. Pick specific ID method to minimize gain. Thousands of events. Nightmare without tools. No direct interest from issuers under Genius or MiCA. Yield moves to DeFi. Lend on Aave. Pool on Uniswap USDC Ethereum. Use yield aggregators. That's ordinary income at fair market value when controlled. Like revenue ruling 2023-14 staking track income plus cap gains on disposal. Now this matters. DeFi adds layers. Capital gains on principal plus income tax on rewards. Tools like DTax handle this chaos. It imports from 29 exchanges, tracks per wallet basis per revenue procedure 2024-28, 1099-D. A reconciliation center matches broker forms to on-chain data, flags discrepancies. Best Method Optimizer compares 13 methods like FIFO or HAFO for max savings. Supports 22 blockchains including Ethereum and Solana. Free tier unlimited imports, 5 AI chats daily. Check getdtax.com. Open source core. Does Genius reclassify stablecoins? No. Still property. MiCA change my EU taxes? No. Just market rules. Taxable to swap USDC for USDT? Yes. Disposition. DeFi yield ordinary income? Generally yes, at receipt. Form 1099-D a mandatory? From regulated US issuers soon. This video is for informational purposes only, and does not constitute tax advice. Consult a qualified tax professional for your specific situation. Key takeaway. Genius and MiCA boost reporting, but don't rewrite taxes. Track disposals and DeFi yield closely. Like and subscribe for more crypto tax guides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.